How efficient is an air source heat pump? Air source heat pumps are incredibly efficient. Getting the system design right is crucial. The minimum efficiency for an MCS compliance installation is 280%. The national average is around about 340%. A skilled installer using top quality design processes can push this up to 400 to 500%. These efficiency figures are an annual average, meaning they account for the fact that the heat pump will perform better in warmer weather than it does in the colder weather. The efficiency is often measured as SCOP, seasonal coefficient of performance. For example, SCOP 3 is 300% and SCOP 5 is 500%. Now let's compare this to a traditional fossil fuel boiler. They will run typically around about 85 to 90% efficient. The heat pumps are already looking pretty good. You might be thinking, but electric is more expensive than gas. However, when you factor in the efficiency, a heat pump running at a SCOP of around 3.5 can cost roughly the same to run as a gas boiler and even a little bit cheaper than an oil boiler. The real game changer, time of use tariffs, solar PV, battery storage, you could see significant saving. And here's a big environmental takeaway. By installing an air source heat pump, you can reduce your carbon emission output by around 75%, making a difference to the planet.